Okay, I am absolutely the only one in this hotel. The only one. There is nobody in this building, and this is really creepy. That's why I'm using my phone to film. So we're gonna walk downstairs real quick and do one final walkthrough. Here's the other side of the room. And this is the upstairs. Most of the rooms, I think there's about 10 rooms. And then we're gonna walk downstairs and do a quick walkthrough. There's the stairs right there. Okay. And this is downstairs, where the front desk is. And like I said, I'm the only one in this entire hotel right now. I'm checking out, and I'm just loving the quietness of it. I want to show you. This is pretty cool. This is part of the dining room right here. And I will tell you, Chef Ernie is the real deal. I've had 3 or 4 excellent meals here. Everything was spot on, man. Good Cajun food. And I think after this pandemic's over, this place is going to be really hard to get into. Little window side tables. And look at the chairs. Look at the detail on the chairs. And that's real. I don't know who did these and everything, but I know my shoes are squeaking a little bit, but yeah, this place was creepy last night. I got a lot of stuff to go through, but we'll walk back here a little bit. We are a little further back, and you can just see it's really real creepy here. Sometimes I think more creepy during the day than nighttime. But I have 7 cameras. I did have K2 hits. And here's the back of the dining room, going into this hallway right here. And they say this bathroom right here, some little children were knocking on the door when somebody was in there. This bathroom right here. Sorry, my shoes are squeaking because they're weird shoes. Here's the hallway on the other side of the dining room. And we're gonna walk in this conference room right here, which they say they caught a tall shadow figure. And we'll walk in there real quick. I'm gonna turn the light on here, but I'm gonna give you an idea just how creepy it is in here. I'll turn the lights on. But I'm the only one in this hotel right now. I'm checking out. And everybody's been awesome, man. Had a really good time. But yeah, I mean, I'm hit. This is probably the best time I should have ghost hunt during the day like this. It's absolute silence. Okay, here's with the lights on. And I sit right here at the end of the table, and I got K2 hits, mel meter was going off. But again, I don't think I got any EVPs. So, here's the bar area. Straight from the conference room behind those doors. And this is the bar area right here. Some more. And some seatings. Chef Ernie was telling me that there was a pillow right here. This was a few years ago, I guess. There were some pillows on these couches. And there was a guest sitting in this chair right here. And one of the pillows launched all the way over there towards that flag, towards that table. And the guest that was sitting here saw it. And he said that's one of the craziest things he's seen. That pillow just launched itself midair, landed over there. So here's the bar area again. Oh, I wanted to show you this, these mirrors here on this piece. This is absolutely amazing. And that's the original brick wall from the inside. And there's another shot of the bar there. This is the main entrance right here, where you walk in. There's the creepy hallway. And there's Chef Ernie up there. Guy is absolutely amazing. Absolutely great food. He's inventing things too, and some dessert dishes. And I got to try a couple of them when he's working on, and absolutely amazing. I had an awesome weekend here. And this is one of the back rooms. I think that's the suite right there. And there's the front desk. And the last ghost team that was here, right in this area where the picture is, right up here, on one of their cameras, or one of their full spectrum cameras, a couple cameras caught this swirling lights, like a swirling mist of lights. And it's believed that that is a portal right here. A portal. So we'll see when I come back. This was probably would have been the best time to do the thing, because there's no music, there's nothing. It's absolute silence. Matter of fact, I'm going to go back to that creepy conference room, try to do an EVP session real quick. But that's it. Check it out. It was awesome. And I'll be back. Cheers. I wanted to shoot one last video before I pull out of here. This is the hotel, and we got a lot of evidence to go through. But that's pretty cool, man. Only one here. All locked up. It's pretty awesome. So heading back now.